Are you planning to migrate your website to a new WordPress site? Or do you want to add products and other data to your new WooCommerce store? Creating data from scratch is really very difficult. It takes more time to complete if you do it manually. To make this process simple, we have created a plugin, WP Ultimate CSV Importer. So you can now easily import data to WordPress from a CSV or XML file. You can import 1000 more data in one go, and you can update existing data without any difficulty just by uploading the file from any different locations like from desktop, FTP or SFTP, external URL, and file from the server. The plugin supports many third-party plugins to import data. You can import WooCommerce, WPML, ACF Toolset, and more plugins data to WordPress. You can also bulk import images and gallery field images to your WordPress. Once you upload, follow the simple mapping procedure. This plugin automaps the fields if your CSV and WP headers are the same. You can proceed with the data import instantly, or you can schedule data importer update to run later with the Ultimate CSV Importer plugin. The plugin also exports your WordPress data. You can use advanced filters to export data in CSV or XML file formats. Every import step is saved as a template, so you can use the previously used steps and speed up your import operation. Lot more features are available. Enjoy the speed and secure data importing with WP Ultimate CSV Importer. Want to try? Visit www.smackrollers.com. Contact us at support@smackrollers.com for any help. Thank you.